Welcome to our quick daily at-home workout. We are going to build functional fitness today, strength, mobility, flexibility, and so much more. Let's get started. Step back, knee drive. Just focus on one knee, one leg at a time. We're going to bring all of our attention, all of our awareness into each exercise. We're only going to be here for 10 minutes or so. We're going to get so much out of this by bringing real intentionality to every single movement. We will boost our mood and elevate our energy. That is a guarantee every time. Let's go to the other side. And when we continue to show up, we build strength, mobility, flexibility, and balance. Find a nice flow that works for you. Notice how one side might be a little bit trickier than the other. Shake that out. Shake, shake, shake. Do your best. Squat. We're going to start with some squats. Then let's come down. Shoulder press. Get as deep into the squat as you can. Full body here. Functional fitness is just about mimicking daily actions. Bending over to pick things up. Putting things away in the cupboard that we can do with a little bit more ease, a little stronger when we do them. Makes life more enjoyable. Can you sink a little bit deeper? One more. Nice. Getting the heart rate up. Working on cardiovascular endurance also. Beautiful. We're gonna sidestep punch. Just to one side. Really get that leg out as far as you can to create more mobility in the hip. You can start to exaggerate your twist a bit also. Creating a greater range of motion in our back. Let's go other side. This should feel differently when you go to the other side. Embrace the discomfort. We gotta get uncomfortable every day. Own it. Seek discomfort. Oh yeah, really twist. There's so much going on here. That brilliant strength in our legs, arm, shoulder, mobility in the lower body. The more we twist, mobility in the upper body. Shake that out. Simple. Bend your knees as much as possible, as much as you need. So deadlift, down, but reach overhead also. What could be more functional about this movement? A little tip throughout your day, whenever you need to tie your shoes, don't sit down. Don't put your foot up. Put your shoes on while you're standing. Bend down, tie up your shoes. Little movement snacks, mobility snacks, flexibility snacks. Just take every opportunity to create a little bit more movement, a little bit more mobility. So you're increasing your flexibility, One day at a time, one movement at a time. Find the little things throughout our day. You start to change the way we look at things, and everything's an opportunity for growth. Become that best version of yourself. And the best version doesn't feel like an old person. Oh, I can't bend my back. No, I can bend over. No problem. One more. Feeling good? Energy boosted yet? Don't forget, comment. Job done at the end of the workout. Inspire others. It truly does. Okay, let's build some balance and strength. Standing, side leg lift. Let's do a few out and then stop. A few up. Let's do out. A chair, if needed, of course, is always available to us. And up. Out. Oh, catch yourself if you fall, no problem. Just come back. And one more up. 2, 3. Shake, shake, shake. Other side. Whoa. A little more challenging on the other side, quite possibly. It is for me. Think of all the things having an up quality balance, particularly for us right now, walking on the ice, out. That's where that good core stability we were working on yesterday comes into place. We're doing that now too. Engage the core. Will help with the balance. But all the things we need our balance for so we don't fall. Avoid injury. And last one. Oh, feel that in the hips? Me too. Let's really loosey-goosey with your arms. And just get as much of your body involved as possible. Just moving everything. Sort of a little silly. Let's be more childlike. Find a nice flow here. Just using every muscle in the body that we possibly can. Reaching across, we're building strength in our arms. We're gonna bring our legs out a little bit further. Now, mobility, flexibility. Just cross body arm swings. Bring that into a hug. Opposite. Go. Can often get really stiff up in the shoulders, upper back, neck. Feeling tension. So just shaking it out. Being loosey-goosey can really relieve some of that tension. Okay, let's build some strength in our calf muscles while we build balance. Come up on your tippy toes and down. And I can reach out also. Sink down a bit and then up, reach out. Full body, incredible little exercise here. Building strength throughout our entire legs. Balance. Ooh. Up. Couple more. This last one, come up on your tippy toes, arms out. Find a spot, look forward, and let's hold it as long as we can. This is our last exercise. Hold it. Feel it, really feel it in the calves. Hold the balance. It's okay to fall. What could be more functional than the ability to pay attention, concentrate, live in the present moment? Let's live in this moment. Let's be right here. Real posture of integrity. Stand tall. Shoulders back, chin up, head held high. And just breathe. And just be and absorb everything that you've just done. This short but effective workout. Just notice the mind wander. As soon as it does, just come back to focusing on the breath and the sensations of your body. Take one last really conscious breath. And exhale. Hopefully it's not your last conscious breath of the day. Keep breathing throughout the day. Thank you for continuing to show up. Oh, have a brilliant day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye for now.